Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the environment so you can iterate fast. Create a virtualenv and install a framework like PyTorch or TensorFlow that matches your CUDA. Once done, pick a focused dataset and define whether this is classification or regression. That choice drives model architecture. Make sure to version your code and data so you can reproduce experiments. Then scaffold a simple training script with dataset loading, a data loader, and one minimal model class to run a sanity check. You now build and run the core training loop. Start with a compact baseline model, for images a small CNN, for tabular a shallow MLP, then implement loss, optimizer, and a learning rate scheduler. Use mixed precision to speed up training if GPU supports it. Once training runs, add validation steps, metrics tracking, model checkpointing, and logging to visualize curves. Make sure to isolate data augmentation and seed randomness, so comparisons are fair across experiments. You finalize by tuning and evaluating with purpose. Run systematic hyperparameter sweeps for learning rate, batch size, and regularization, then select the best model and evaluate on a holdout test set to report real performance. Once you have results, export the model and create an inference script with preprocessing steps. If things go wrong, first check for data leakage and incorrect labels. If training stalls, lower the learning rate or simplify the model. Those fixes resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.